Hi everyone, I'm Alan.
And I'm Sara. And today, we're going to help you speak English faster.
So, I understand English, I know many words. But when I try to speak, I start translating everything. Is that wrong? So, when I want to say something, first, I think in my language, then I try to translate it, and then I try to say it in English. But it feels slow. Like I'm always thinking too much. Sometimes I even forget what I wanted to say. Is that normal? For example, if I want to say something simple, I don't say it directly. I build the sentence step by step. And sometimes I stop in the middle because I don't know how to continue. And it's frustrating. Because in my language, I can speak fast. I don't need to think so much. But in English, everything feels slower. Like my brain is working twice. And when I'm talking to someone, I feel nervous because I'm thinking and translating and speaking at the same time. So I know the words, but I can't use them fast. What am I doing wrong? Okay, let me try. Yesterday, I did a party. No, wait, I made a party. That sounds weird. I have 25 years. No, I am 25 years. Why is this so difficult? I have hunger? That doesn't sound right either.
Okay, let's try together. Say, I had a party.
I had a party, but why had?
We'll get there. Try this. I am 25 years old.
I am 25 years old. But in my language, I say I have 25.
Yes, and that's the problem.
So, I'm hungry? Not I have hunger?
Exactly.
Everything is different. So, how am I supposed to think?
Hey, Alan. Maybe you're translating too much.
Jamie?
Yeah, from production. You're thinking in your language first, and that slows you down.
Wait, that's exactly what I do.
And that's why speaking feels slow. You're building sentences twice.
Twice. First in my language, then in English.
Exactly.
Exactly. When you translate, you build the sentence twice. First in Spanish, then in English. And that creates hesitation.
So, what should I do instead?
Stop translating words. Start thinking in ideas. Not, I have hunger, but simply, I'm hungry.
So, I shouldn't convert everything. Word by word?
Exactly. Think in chunks, whole expressions, like native speakers do.
So, instead of translating, I should recognize ready-made phrases?
Exactly. Not single words, patterns. For example, don't build, I have 30 years. Say, I'm 30.
Oh, that feels faster.
Because it is faster. You're speaking from memory, not translating in real time. Good, let's try it. Don't translate, just answer fast. How old are you?
I'm 25.
Good, not, I have 25 years. Now, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Exactly. You didn't translate, you responded.
It feels easier.
Because you're speaking in chunks. Okay, say this. What did you do yesterday?
I had a party. Wow. I didn't say I made a party.
Exactly. Now you're thinking in English.
So the problem wasn't my English. It was the way I was thinking.
Exactly. Stop translating words. Start thinking in ideas.
That changes everything.
Much faster and more natural.
So from now on, I won't translate first. I'll think in English.
That's the goal. Not perfect English, natural English.
Stop translating. Think in English.
See you in the next lesson.